So I acquired this Victor 1640 DCL and I'm just loving it. Now the ladder came locked, so I still need to figure out how to unlock the ladder. And it came with this really cool tool changer, the Smartdex 20. And what I'm going to do today is I just made a prototype for the first inner tool holder, so I can do inner cuts and inner stuff. So today I'm just gonna finish boring it and go over this how these Valentine boring tool works. This is a milling tool, and I'm using my lathe today as a mill, right? Because it's just easier to line up here on the mill than anything else. So let's talk a little bit about this toolbar here. So how does that work exactly, right? So each one of those small are 2.5 thousandths in diameter, and each big one is 5 thousandths in diameter. There's 62.5 here, which is equals to 125. Now the cool thing is this is off-center. Let's say if you're like me and you get tools from just all over the place, places you buy from or what else, it doesn't need to be a matching set. So any 3/4 inch here will do. This set is not completely round, okay? So it's not a matching set at all, but same thing, right? If I since it's offset, let me do this a little bit better here. So, as a matter of fact, you can see this full swing, the full 62.5 swing. So any 3/4 inch here is going to work. So it doesn't have to be a matching set or anything. Now, I'm not doing advertisement or anything, but these are just commonly found. If you have this model of the Valentine off-center, just any 221 small triangular insert is gonna work. Now I see these used on eBay all the time, or even the single sets. Now this is an explanation of how it works. Here's explaining the offset, max bore, which way you rotate here. The inserts, as a matter of fact, check it out. Here's the inserts. TPE is what they recommend. I'm using TPU. I think it's just the angle is the different angle there. Which head you use with for which diameter bores. Just a general explanation of how you should use it. Even talks about speeds. So after measuring my hole that I did with a drill set, I realized that I have some conicity, which is this is not exactly aligned with the waist of the lathe. So what I'm gonna have to do is, of course, I'm gonna start with the boring bar, and then I'm gonna finish with an adjustable reamer. I bought this on eBay pretty cheap. Got really lucky. It's a Cleveland set, and really accurate. So this is how I'm going to finish the job. Well, the reamer, you just loosen it a little bit on this side. You tighten it up on the other side. So let me take this out so I can show you. So you see there are little tracks here. As you move the two here, as you tighten this up and you move the whole two here, the diameter gets bigger and eats away the bore. As I start rotating the tool, you're gonna see how the off-center is pretty clear, how off-center it is, and then we'll just adjust that to make that perfect fit. So here's the engine. You can kind of see going up and down. Let me see if I really slow it down. You can kind of see the off-center. So surface, that's the formula I use. Surface feet per minute times 3.8 divided by the diameter, which is equal to 1520. So this is about an F6 on the feed speed. All right, let's start. All right, now I'm going to measure and see how close I am. And then I'm going to, of course, adjust this to exactly how much we need. So right now I'm at 744. You can see here that I am in the very second one. So I'm just going to go one up and see what that gives us. Okay, so we started at 744, and let's see what that gives us. And sure enough, just precise, it opened up about 2.5. So let's go another 2.5. Let's go to the third. Right there. Tighten this up. This should be right on now. Very close to our final 750. Oh, it's almost right there. So one more click. That should be the final, and then I'm just going to use a reamer to finish the job, the adjustable reamer. Already should be, oh yeah, I definitely, you can tell it's already coming in. Since I want this super tight, I'm just going to finish with the reamer now. Yep, it is right now 748.5. So I just need another half, 1.5 half to go. All right, so now I'm just gonna oil it up, make some space here, put the reamer, then we're gonna finish the job. All right, so now I'm gonna finish this up with a reamer. I'm about 1/1000th of an inch from being perfect. The part is actually, the tools are starting to come in very tight. I usually do like about half a turn. So half a turn here, and then I have to tighten the other side. Here we go. Now, still kind of loose. Let's do another turn here. So we have to remember that because my lathe is not zero out yet, I'm just trying to finish a bunch of things so I can zero it out so I don't have conicity. And that's the greatest thing about this this Cleveland Center-set is super precise. So here I'm just cleaning up, if more than anything else. Just taking the conicity out, taking some stubborn last. Let's see how that fits. Ooh, it's almost like perfect. So, and I kind of want to make it tight, just super precise. So just a little bit, maybe another half a turn, and should be in business. See how that feels. Whoa, just that perfect fit. Perfect. It's like, just love when those things work. So now I have an inner cutting on my new lathe. Just got to do the drills so I can permanently tighten the tool.